Good morning, children. Let us start with a new poem today. Ek anek. Ek means one, anek means many. One and many. Ek anek. कविता का परिचय. इस कविता में एक that means एक वचन और अनेक बहुवचन के बारे में बताया गया है. So एक वचन and बहुवचन, singular and plural. Regarding that it is explained here in this lesson. Now कविता का उद्देश्य, what is the objective of this? कविता का हाव भाव से वाचन करवाना तथा एकता का महत्व बताना. So you have to read it and then you should know about unity. Ekata means here it is unity. Understood? So how to maintain unity? That's a main theme of this, to maintain unity. So unity in diversity, you know, no? Means oneness in so many things. Okay? And united we stand, divided we fall. If you are all united, what happens? You will have more strength. But if you are divided, what happens? You will have no strength. So everybody can just defeat you if you don't have unity. That's the meaning here. Yeah, let me start here. चूहा एक कूद कर आया, हर चूहे को यह बतलाया, यह चिड़िया भोली नादान, ये चिड़िया चंचल शैतान. बिल्ली ने सुनकर यह बात किया इशारा, बिल्लियां आई घात लगाने की चूहों पर, चुपके से तरकीब बताई. छत्ते में बैठी मधुमक्खी बोली, सुन ले सब मधुमक्खियां, हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को, खाना पाए इन्हें बिल्लियां. छत्ता छोड़कर सब जा पहुंची, छत्ते से बिल्लियों के पास, व्याकुल बिल्लियां भाग गई सब, देख मक्खियां इतनी पास. Once again I'll read and then I'll explain. चूहा एक कूद कर आया, हर चूहे को यह बतलाया, यह चिड़िया भोली नादान, ये चिड़िया चंचल शैतान. बिल्ली ने सुनकर यह बात किया इशारा, बिल्लियां आई घात लगाने की चूहों पर, चुपके से तरकीब बताई. छत्ते में बैठी मधुमक्खी बोली, सुन ले सब मधुमक्खियां, हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को, खाना पाए इन्हें बिल्लियां. छत्ता छोड़कर सब जा पहुंची, छत्ते से बिल्लियों के पास, व्याकुल बिल्लियां भाग गई सब, देख मक्खियां इतनी पास. So here what is happening? There are here see 7 rats. 7 rats are there, and you can see here the cats. Cats are there, and here bees. Okay. So this bees, and you can see the bird also here. Birds are also there. Can you see the birds here? So birds, bees, rats and cats. Okay, all these are there. So that is not about the poem here. We will see how if you maintain unity, how you can win. Whatever you want, you can be successful there. चूहा एक कूद कर आया, हर चूहे को यह बतलाया. So one mouse came hopping, jumping, running and all that. It came to other rats. One rat came and called other rats. It came hopping, jumping, very happily it came here. हर चूहे को यह बतलाया. So it went on explaining to all these rats. What did it explain? We'll see. यह चिड़िया भोली नादान means this bird is very soft, very kind, so very soft it is. यह चिड़िया भोली नादान, it is very soft and innocent. It is very innocent and soft. ये चिड़िया चंचल शैतान, this one is very naughty. This bird is very naughty. One bird is very nice and the other bird is very naughty. चंचल शैतान means very naughty it is. बिल्ली ने सुनकर यह बात. So by the time what this rat was telling to other rats, no, immediately what happened? One of the cats heard this. What was the rat speaking? About birds. So there are so many birds. About that, the rat was speaking. So immediately what happened? This cat heard what the rat was saying. So बिल्ली ने सुनकर यह बात किया इशारा, बिल्लियां आई. So what happened? One of the cats heard this, what the rat was saying. So what happened? It heard and immediately what it do? It did. It made a sign. All of it come. All the cats come here. So it made a sign there. बिल्ली ने सुनकर यह बात. It heard the sound of the rat. किया इशारा, बिल्लियां आई. So it made some sign to call all the cats near to it. घात लगाने की चूहों पर. So what happened when the cat heard whatever the rat was saying, घात लगाने की चूहों पर चुपके से तरकीब बताई. So it wanted to go and eat the rats. So it said, see, rats are saying something there. Rats are there. Come on, it is food for us, no? For cat, what is the food? Rats are also food for cat, isn't it? So there are so many rats. Come, we will go and eat them. So here see. घात लगाने की चूहों पर चुपके से तरकीब बताई. So it said, we will make a plan and we will go and catch the rats. Then छत्ते में बैठी मधुमक्खी. So what happened? Beehive, you know. Beehive will be there. In that what will be there? So this is the beehive. You can see. This is the beehive. Can you see this? So in this, who will be there? The honeybees will be there. This is the honeycomb. It is a hive. Beehive it is. So in this there will be honeybees. This is the honeycomb constructed. This is the house of honeybees. So honeybees will be here. And what do? They fill all these combs with honey. The flowers, nectar of the flowers. So that will be converted into honey, isn't it? So what happened? When this rats were speaking, cats heard it. And when cat was saying that to call it, this cat called all the other cats and they were making a plan to kill the rats. Meantime, what happened? There were bees. What were the bees doing? They were in their honey, that is they were in the beehive. Beehive means what you call Jenugudu. Understood? Beehive is Jenugudu. So in that what was there? There were so many honey bees. Madhumakki means honey bees. Boli sunle sab madhumakya. So the one of the honeybee told to all other honeybees, हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को. So what did that bee say? Bees told to the other bees, see, cats are planning to eat the rats, but we have to save the rats. We have to save the rats from cats. We have to save the rats from cats. So what happened here? See, हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को. How many? We have to save how many? 7 rats. 7 चूहों means 7 rats. What we have to do? We have to save them. हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को, खा ना पाए इन्हें बिल्लियां. So cats should never eat the rats. We have to save them. Rats have to be saved. Otherwise what happens? Cats will kill the rats. हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को, खा ना पाए इन्हें बिल्लियां. So this cat should never eat the rats. We have to save them. छत्ता छोड़कर सब जा पहुंची. Chatta means here it is the beehive. I said no gudu. Jenugudu. This is called as chatta. Chatta. This is the beehive. Chatta chodkar. See what did they do? Where were the honeybees? Honeybees were in the. Where were the honeybees? Honeybees were in the beehive. Where were the honeybees? They were in the beehive, isn't it? So here see. हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को, खा ना पाए इन्हें बिल्लियां. छत्ता छोड़कर सब जा पहुंची. So they left the beehive. All the bees left the beehive. And what did they do? छत्ते से बिल्लियों के पास. So immediately from beehive, where did the bees come? They came towards the cats. They all came towards the cats. Can you see here? See, all the bees are coming towards the cats. And what are the cats doing? You see. छत्ते से बिल्लियों के पास व्याकुल बिल्लियां भाग गई सब. So immediately what happened? They understood we are in danger. All these honeybees will come and bite us. So what we have to do? We have to run away from them. Otherwise, if they sting, what will happen? It will be paining very badly. No, if there is a sting of honeybee, it will pain them. So lot of pain will be there, and there will be swelling also. So what happened? They wanted to escape from the honeybees. What did the cats do? They immediately ran away from that. See, व्याकुल बिल्लियां भाग गई सब. They all ran away. देख मक्खियां इतनी पास. So when they saw that the honeybees were approaching towards them, they were very near to them. Pass means they were very near to this cat. What did the cats do? They ran away. So who was saved here? The rats were saved, isn't it? So they were not killed, they were saved. Otherwise what would have happened? All these cats would have killed the rats. So who saved them? Who saved the rats? The honeybees saved the rats. So honeybees had a unity among them. So many honeybees together, there was a unity. If it was a single honeybee, could you just imagine that cats would have ran? No, they would have been there only. They would have caught the rats. But because they came in swarm, that is so many came together, what happened? Cats understood we are in danger, so they ran away, leaving the rats. Okay, so rats were saved. They were saved by the honeybees. Did you understand now? Okay, so always we should have unity. We should not fight or we should not get separated. If you have unity, we have a strength. Did you understand? Now, once again I will read. एक अनेक चूहा एक कूद कर आया, हर चूहे को यह बतलाया, यह चिड़िया भोली नादान, ये चिड़िया चंचल शैतान. बिल्ली ने सुनकर यह बात किया इशारा, बिल्लियां आई घात लगाने की चूहों पर, चुपके से तरकीब बताई, छत्ते में बैठी मधुमक्खी बोली सुन ले सब मधुमक्खियां, हमें बचाना 7 चूहों को, खा न पाए इन्हें बिल्लियां, छत्ता छोड़कर सब जा पहुंची, छत्ते से बिल्लियों के पास, व्याकुल बिल्लियां भाग गई सब, देख मक्खियां इतनी पास. So we should always have unity among ourselves. So nobody will come and fight with us. No, we will not have any enemies. Supposing enemies are also there, what happens? If we are in unity, we can safeguard ourselves. Did you understand, children? I'll stop it here. Thank you.